Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can track someone on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp basically allows you to delete messages, and by tracking I mean if the person is online or offline. So first thing you need to do is clone the GitHub repository. You can use any Linux operating system. You just need to make sure that npm is installed, and there is also a Docker available for the same. So let's go to the terminal of my machine and clone the repository. By the way, every link will be provided in the description. Now WhatsApp basically allows you to delete messages, and using the same functionality you can basically send RTT messages, which will basically be deleted and not shown on the victim's machine, but it will basically detect if the person is online or offline by basically it's just like pinging the system and then checking if the person is online or offline. And this tool basically does it multiple times in a minute. This basically allows you to track real time if the person was online and if he was checking your messages or not. So once you clone the repository, you also have to add in a Signal API. So this tool basically works with WhatsApp and Signal. Once that is done, just head over to your web browser and the port will be 3000. So once you go there, you have to use a WhatsApp account and scan the QR code, and it will start tracking the number by sending RTT messages, the deleted messages, and this is how the user interface looks like. So it will track in real time